In the previous video, you understood what is sort functionality about. In this video, let's try to understand what is copy functionality about. I'll take a list. Elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So list 2 equal to list 1. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to assign the value of list 1 to list 2. So let's print both list 1 as well as list 2. Now what do I do is I'll try to clear the elements of my list 2. So then what exactly happens? My list 2 elements would be cleared. But if you also observe, list 1 elements also is cleared. This is due to the IDs of both list 1 as well as list 2. So if you want to see ID of list 1, so we'll be using ID of list 1. Similarly, ID of list 2. So both of these are pointing to same address. That's the reason both of these values got cleared. Even though if you try to add some value to your list 1, so list 1 dot append 100. So in list 1 you have the value 100. The same list 2 also you have the value 100. But if you don't want this to be happening, here comes the picture of copy. So let's take list 1 to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now list 2 would be list 1's copy. So what has been written, we are trying to store that in list 2. Now list 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. List 2 is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you clear list 2 elements, so list 2 elements all got cleared. But if you print list 1, now we are having all the elements on our list 1. So this is how if you want to take the copy, so modify the duplicate whatever you want to, keeping the original as is. So this is something about copy functionality. So these are all different functions of our list. So let's try to see how do we read the input and print the output as part of our list in our next video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.